Hi guys, good day and welcome back to my channel. Yes guys, for today's video guys, we're on the way to Givora Hotel, the tallest 4-star hotel in the world. O diba guys, napaka-bongga. And guys, yun, nandito na kami sa Givora Hotel. Napakaganda talaga ng place nila guys. To be honest, isa ito sa napakagandang hotel na napasukan namin ni Daddy Joe, ni Ate Jay, ni Dabi. O diba, bonggang-bongga lang. Tingnan nyo guys, napakaganda ng design nila na bonggang-bongga. Mapapawaw ka talaga. O diba guys, tingnan nyo, elevator pa lang yan, pero panalong-panalo na. O diba?
30. Nagana pa siya. Wala pa tong scan. Parang 40 hanggang 40 lang to. Ay, hindi siya maon. Dito, B1, M1. Naka-by floor siya, hindi siya nagsalit tayo lang.
Ito pala kayang daming elevator guys. Natawa ako guys, kaya pa walang andito pala guys, naka siya, may mga, each floor may mga located siya na na elevator. Ayan.
Limited yung space sa niya dyan, sa core.
Ayan, punta kami dyan mamaya guys.
We're at the 30th floor, oh my god gangs.
30th floor.
Unlock mo to yung papa.
Muna.
Wow.
Wow.
Nakawaw yun. Unsa ka nga?
Where are we going? Guys, super ganda ng place. Hala, parang Burj Khalifa tayo.
Unsa mo nga floor?
3001 and 3002.
Asa na lang?
Video na dyan natin.
Ay, hindi siya Burj Khalifa view. Ah.
Give me the, Are you scared?
Yeah, I am.
Papa ni mo ma.
Ayan.
Wait,
You
ano
scared
to?
also?
Hi everyone. Uy. Ilahan ni Jen.
Johanna. Johanna din.
Uy, ang ganda, te.
Ano yan?
Oh, Johanna.
Enjoy!
Yeah.
Enjoy! Oh, tingnan na. Guys, come here guys. Ay, ito sa bad view. Look at me.
Kuan pa di ay.
Wow!
Wow, what view
Look,
we have.
construction. Construction.
Hala! At least Burj Khalifa view kami! Burj Khalifa view, guys! Burj Khalifa view! Oh my God!
Swimming pool, bibi, oh!
Where's the
See, look at
swimming
swimming pool, bibi. Wow, swimming pool.
Hindi yan natin na swimming pool, ha?
Mama, don't step here, okay? Be
Oh
careful.
my God, Jane! It's nice! Guys, ito yung room nila ni Ate Jane at saka ni Daddy. So,
Come here, vlog. Come here, vlog.
summer vlog. Okay.
Like it, I don't know how to turn the lights off. This is too high tech for me. Okay?
I think you need to put your card there so that automatically it
No.
will open.
Guys, look at this, guys. Oh.
Ganyan lang pala. Touch, ano lang siya pa, touch.
Right
Touchless.
here, DJ. Yeah?
Then ito yung room. Sige, tingnan natin yung view nila natin, Jane.
Right, guys, look at our view. No view.
No view.
Oh, there's a balcony.
Natakpan kayo. Hindi mo
Ayun!
makita si Burj Khalifa.
Wow.
Oh, Ate Jane!
DJ, not DJ. No, dali, DJ.
You have view, Ate Jane.
Dali, DJ.
No, wait. Kitang-kita yung dagat. Dagat yung view nyo. Yeah, ito yung kwarto nila, guys. Thank you so much, kabayan. Na-upgrade po kami sa executive lounge. Executive.
Gusto makita yung balcony, guys?
Yes.
Come here, guys.
Okay.
Look at our view. Wow.
Wow! Yes, it's scary. Wow, view from our balcony, guys. View from our balcony, guys. It's amazing. Wow! Thank you so much, kabayan. Na-upgrade kami. So, nasa executive lounge kami. Charing. Ayan. Ganda talaga, guys. Dapat yung namin standard king room lang. Or deluxe, parang gano'n. So, now is we are here sa executive lounge.
Let's go inside. It's kind of scary, you know?
Yes guys, after ng room tour natin guys, ayan, umupo muna kami kasi napagod kami ng bonggang-bongga kasi na-amaze talaga kami sa room ng bonggang-bongga guys. And then guys, ayan guys, papakita ko sa inyo, ito yung room pala nila ni Jane at ni Dabi. And then ito yung kape guys, hindi yan nawawala sa hotel. Talagang nandyan talaga yung mga coffee mate, kettle, at saka tea nila. And then guys, ito pala yung view namin from our balcony, ayan. And then after dyan guys, nagutom kami kaya ayun, nag-order sa Jane ng Pizza lahat. Ayan. Right after nyan guys, ayan, nagbihis na kami kasi maliligo kami sa swimming pool. Ayan, si Kuya Dabi, si Precious, kaya excited talaga yung mga bata. Ito talaga lagi yung dyan, isa sa rason bakit kami nag-hotel kasi yung mga bata, gustong-gusto kasi lang maligo ng pool. O, diba? So, ayan na guys, napunta na namin yung pool, which is located po siya sa 13th floor. So, ang maganda kasi nito guys, sa swimming pool nila is malaki siya guys. And then, ang maganda din habang nagsiswimming ka, tanaw-tanaw mo yung Burj Khalifa. Ayan. And then guys, to be honest review guys, isa sa magandang swimming pool na napuntahan ko dito sa UAE, itong swimming pool dito sa Givura Hotel. Kasi bukod nga sa malaki siya guys, basta maganda yung pagkakadesign, maganda yung pagkakagawa niya. And then, ang top 1 ko na swimming pool is yung po guys, yung sa Oberoi Hotel, which is located po siya sa Ajman. So, papakita ko po yung nung video ng swimming pool ng Oberoi Hotel sa next reels ko po guys. Ayan guys, ayan si Precious super nag-enjoy talaga sa swimming. Ito yung room po namin ni Daddy June. Ang kanina kina Dabi at Johnny at Jane. So ito naman yung sa amin. So nakaano siya guys. Ayan, naka-separate kitchen siya. Ganda guys, no? Sana all mayaman siya rin. Ganda kayo kung may ganitong bahay. Na ganito siya rin. Ayan. Tingnan nyo guys yung view namin kung saan kami naligo ng pool kanina. Ayan guys. Kita nyo ba? Yeah. Ayun, yes. Yan. And then, ito yung na. And then, ito yung washroom namin. Yung kinati dyan, dalawa yung washroom nila. Ito, we have only one washroom. Then, malaki naman din siya, guys. And then, ayun. Ito yung room namin. Si Daddy Joe talaga, guys. Tao talaga yan dyan sa heights.
Okay.
And then, ayan. O, ayan. May nag-house tour din. Ayan. Burj Khalifa view, guys. Tingnan nyo, guys. So, ang ganda, guys. Burj Khalifa view. Vlog na rin siya, guys. Okay. And then, ito na yung nag-house tour, okay? Okay, yeah, okay, Mama will take. Okay, so, okay. Show me, okay. Okay. Okay, there's a pool.
Yeah, down a pool.
Okay, and then,
Wait me.
yan guys, may little vlogger pala ako, guys. Yeah, dyan tayo naligo. Yeah, that's our pool. Okay, and then, okay. Okay. Oh, so that's done. Okay. See, thank you guys. Thanks for watching.
The tallest
What are
hotel
we
in the world
doing?
is that?
Yes. Okay.
Is that all?
Where are you?
It's like the
Ah, okay. Okay. So, done na. Bye-bye na. Bye, guys. Say bye-bye. Bye, guys. Wait pa, hindi pa tapos. Okay, and then?
Wait, and put that. And done.
Pabalik-balik na tayo, Precious. Ah, where? Ah, that one, it's a pool.
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait.
Balik-balik na tayo. Enough na. Bye-bye na. Bye, guys. Okay, finish.
I really want to get one.
Let's go, let's go. Go, go, go. Let's go na, Dad. Guys, here's our view. View from the top. See guys, oh. Yun yung Burj Khalifa, guys. Ayan, tanaw na tanaw mo lang yung Burj Khalifa galing dito sa hotel namin. And then guys, yun, katakot ang tanaw. Kasi nasana kami, guys. 30th floor. 30th floor. Oh my God. Katakot lang. Yun guys, oh, kita-kita. Parang ano ko sa ano pa? Lantaw, Dubai. Yes guys, yun yung Burj Khalifa guys, oh. Ang ganda. Yun guys, tanaw na tanaw mo talaga yung ano, yung Dubai dito guys. Ayan, ang ganda ng view guys, oh. Super ganda. Ayun. Yan. Pakita ko sa inyo yung sa kabilang side. Diba? Ayan. Diyan yung swimming pool. May naliligo pa guys.
Only one way to find out. Pag ano, may bayad ba wala. Kasi alam ko ano eh, nakita ko ano eh.
So, ayan guys, kasama na siya. So, ito yung observatory deck nila. Ayun yung highest view orange restaurant.
Tanungin mo.
125 crore. Okay? Yeah. Gusto mo pa dito.
Dito. Ayan. Ganda ng kain.
Video ba?
Jawa ka na.
Eat na, kaya mag-ato na po tag swimming pool. Baligo na po ka.
Mushroom, ha?
Ang sigwa ka.
Ah, para makuha
Yung
ng
metro
live.
guys, o tingnan nyo.
Ka-stop siya.
Ayan, umalis na si Jane.
Start na.
Start
Bumalik
na
yan
siya.
sa dito.
Kaya mag-ano ka, cappuccino. Ano yung kay papa mo?
American.
Americano. Ay, kuya.